Sometimes when you think back over the last 35 years or so, there's so many memories that I have about us traveling together, having our Saturday lunches together.
We said at one point, yeah.
And we would go to different restaurants at different times.
True, very true.
And what would we discuss? A million things, except not business.
That's the whole point of it.
Yeah. But I know one time I always had a feeling that's more to do with the PTC meetings in your
school.
In the school.
Oh my God.
Right? So I would, for some reason, I never missed even one PTC meeting of yours from primary school to high school.
I wish you did sometimes. Would be great.
It was very nice to know how you did at school. So it was very interesting.
Nice.
While I was going for all of your meetings at school, I realized, or I kind of was informed, that a very good friend of yours, who's a good friend in those days, and I think he's still a very good friend
100%,
of yours today.
Yeah.
And that's Hriday.
Yeah.
And Hriday wrote some answers for you in the tests or exams.
Every single test.
And you never did it?
He would do half the questions and hand back the test to me.
God,
that's why I passed. I think I passed school otherwise. There's no way I would pass otherwise.
If I had known this earlier, I would have been furious. But you had the gumption to get away with it.